Nice and pretty. Should probably dry it so I don't get watermarks, but too lazy. So anyways, now we're gonna swap over to the new camera. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit start and we're gonna swap over to the new camera right now. So here it is on the new camera. Let me know how the sound is. Get my shadow out of the way. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, so let me know how it looks on this camera. If it looks better or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Can you see how the low light is on this? Let me know what you think. If you can see a quality difference. Once again, I'll switch back to the other camera right now. You can see exactly how the car looks. And then switching back to the new camera. You can see how the car looks. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.